Ciao Tam and welcome back to the channel for today's video. So today I'm gonna clean my chain because I'm going on a ride tomorrow. So I just wanted to show you how to maintain your chain so it's nice and clear and lubed newly and fresh for the ride. For that I have put my bike on a stand, on a paddock stand. That helps you to spin the wheel freely in the back. So I would say, without further ado, let's go ahead and do it. What you have to do first is make sure that your bike is in neutral. So you can spin the tire freely in the back, as you can see it now. And what we need is also a piece of cupboard to put below the tire so we don't get this mess everywhere. Just to clean, to help to keep the environment clean. Those oils should not spread onto the floor, and yeah, that just helps a lot like that. On top of that, I will also put some tissues on so we don't have a huge mess. There we go. So the cleaning fluid can drip down onto these paper towels rather than on the cupboard, because I will reuse them further down the road the next time when I do it. What we need to clean our chain is a brush. I have one of those three-sided brushes here. You can buy them off Amazon or AliExpress. And then what we also need is chain cleaner to get the chain cleaned, and then to lube it, some chain lube. There you go. What we do first is we go ahead and give the chain some good old chain cleaner. So what we do first is we take our chain cleaner, shake that a bit. Let me turn on the light so you can see it a bit better. So what we will do first is we will take the chain cleaner and spray it onto the chain. And then also make sure that you spin your rear tire. So you have 2 or 3 rounds in, and then start rubbing it. And then also second round. Just make sure that your chain is nice and clean. There you can see it's a bit brighter. So what I will do is I will give it some more of this chain cleaning fluid spray. Once we have that, go ahead and give it a nice rub again. That should do the trick. And then I'm gonna go ahead and remove the remaining oil with a towel, with a cloth, just a regular microfiber cloth. As you can see, there's still a lot of oil residue on the chain. You can also go ahead and clean the rear sprocket. That looks way better than before now. As you can see, there's a lot of oil in there. Just make sure that you clean everything nicely. So once you cleaned your chain, let it dry for a couple of minutes. And once it's dry, we can then go back and put on the chain loop. So the chain is now dry. I will now go ahead and put on the chain loop. And for the chain loop, make sure that you put it on all sides of the chain, not just on the top or on the front. Once you've done that, I will go ahead and clear off the excess with a clean microfiber cloth to make sure that I don't get a huge mess next time I want to clean it. Also make sure that this does not get onto your exhaust or your tire. That would not be good. I will quickly cover up my exhaust with this paper towel. That should be good. And off we go. That should be good on this side, so on the front. Be good as well. And then you can also do it from the bottom. So that should be good. Once we have that, we can let it sit for an hour and then the bike is ready to go. That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, drop them down below in the comments, and I would like if you subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot and keeps me producing more videos. So thanks everyone, and see you next time.